Travel hack you never knew existed. When you're packing your luggage, put an Apple AirTag inside. That way, when you're in the airport, you can actually track it and know where your luggage is at all times. Follow me for more tips and tricks.
Things on Amazon that might be illegal.
It so you don't have to. Part 56.
Okay, you're gonna want to watch this entire video. Say hello to the VANKYO projector. Guys, I've had other projectors before, and this thing has a Dolby sound supported theater quality hi-fi stereo speaker, which is just tech mumbo jumbo for saying that it sounds really good. It has a brighter image in its class by nearly 125% and a 1000:1 contrast ratio. It has a reduced blue light for safer viewing on your eyes, and the lamp inside is guaranteed up to 30,000 hours. It also has 5G Wi-Fi, y'all, so you can wirelessly cast any content straight from your phone, iPad, etc.
Find the oil bottle in my house always leaves oil stains on the mouth. Now this 2-in-1 oil bottle with high temperature resistant oil brush and non-stick oil hole. No oil stains on the bottle mouth, can also control the amount of oil, easy to clean. Find, this is a multifunctional electric grain mill, one key operation, meet the grinding of different ingredients, can master the fineness, visualize transparent protective cover, small size and easy to carry.
Stuff on Amazon you might actually need. This is a chair that you can take anywhere, and it also has a built-in phone charger.
If you're tired of wasting your money on cotton swabs, this very well could be your last. This is a silicone reusable ear swab. It comes in a travel carrying case so you can take it anywhere.
Everyone else hate having to disinfect their soda before drinking only to see it turn flat. These covers snap on and turn your can into a bottle to keep drinks carbonated, germ-free, and prevent spills as well. And this patio table pops open into a cocktail table that can store 7 gallons of ice in 40 12-ounce cans. So what do you think of these?
Random Amazon finds that just slap. These look like regular labels, but they're 100% dissolvable and perfect for reusable containers and for writing expiration dates for your favorite foods. They dissolve in water in 30 seconds, and the best part is they don't leave any sticky residue.